Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to install tweaked apps on iPhone or iPad with iOS 18 without computer and jailbreak. Before we get into the actual installation process, let's quickly go over what we're talking about. IPA files are basically app files for iOS. Some of these are tweaked or modified versions of apps that can offer extra features. Okay, let's check it out. First of all, open this website, scarletinstall.bio.link. You can install tweaked apps on your iDevice using esign. Now, you must install DNS for esign first. Click this button. Click Allow. Then go to the settings. Hit Profile Downloaded. Then install the DNS profile. Insert your passcode if needed. After that, go back to the website. Then select Esign Installer link. You can try installing them one by one from this Esign link. If you see the message Unable to verify, it means the Esign link is not working. But if you see Untrusted Developer, it means the Esign is working on your device. So next, you have to verify and trust the Esign in the settings. General, VPN and device management. Then click Trust or Allow. If you are using iOS 18, you have to click Allow and restart to trust the Esign app. Wait until your iDevice is successfully restarted. Swipe up and insert your passcode to trust the Esign app. Now you are ready to open Esign app. The next step, you have to import the certificate into Esign to install tweaked apps and IPA files. Return to the Scarlet website install.bio.link. Then scroll down and click esign zip certificate. Then save the certificate to the app files. After that, open Esign. Click the three dots in the right corner. Then click Import. Then select the Esign zip files that you downloaded earlier. Then click Unzip. After that, select the certificate that matches the one you verified earlier. Then click Import Certificate Management. After that, you are ready to install IPA Files using esign. After that, go to the App Store section. Then click App Source at the top. Then enter the source code, as in this video. I will provide the source code so you can use it for your esign. Click Add All to add the source. This source code contains IPA libraries and tweaked apps, so you can download and install it directly without searching for IPA files manually on the internet. Then you can automatically find tweaked apps and IPA files in your esign. Please select the tweaked app you want to install. After that, click Download and wait a few moments. After the download is complete, go to the Files section. Hit Downloaded folder. Then click Import App Library. Then go to the Apps section. Click on the app and select Signature and install the tweaked app. And automatically, the tweaked apps are installed on your iDevice. You can install any IPA files or any app using esign without limits and without a computer. You can check all the link on description. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need a help, leave your comment below so I will guide you to install tweaked apps on your iDevice. See you on the next video.